So we were at Sunken Gardens, 27th and Capitol Parkway, kind of the center of Lincoln here. This is the gem of the city as far as a huge floral display. We plant around 35,000 to 45,000 tropicals and annuals each year. Kind of did something different as a collaboration with the Quilt Museum. The Quilt Museum reached out, and with this year being 250 years of America, they reached out and kind of wanted to do a collaboration of using the quilts since they are such a main staple in America. So we visited the Quilt Museum, went down there and got a huge realm of different quilts and different designs. A lot of the patterns, the star patterns, the borders, and incorporated them in this year's design at Sunken Gardens.
While yes, we are drawing from those quilts to kind of have those designs, as you know, quilts are very linear and very geometrical, which is kind of tough to do with plants. So a lot of what we do, we always tell people the garden at the end of May is different than the garden at the end of June, is different than the garden at the end of July, and so on and so forth. While we're designing, we kind of allow for that space of like, okay, so maybe this plant will take off and take over that area. We allow that stuff to happen because you just can't control something like that. Basically, due to experience, we kind of know what's going to work down here. So we have our bread and butter plants, our pentas, our zinnias, our coleus, stuff like that. So we kind of have a pretty broad depth to draw from of what to use in these gardens. And then we also collaborate with a lot of folks in the industry just in town.
This place is really special because it is a community involvement. It's a huge kind of group effort down here where we have a lot of volunteer help that put this garden together. When we initially install, we have about 60 to 100 volunteers help us with the main installment each year, or Mother's Day weekend. So it is throughout the season with that install. Then each week we have Tuesday and Thursday garden gab with volunteer help as well. So throughout the entire year, it is a process of community involvement. And it's a huge display for Lincoln that a lot of visitors can come down and see the different design patterns and color throughout the garden.
It changes every year. So every year we've got a new design. So not only just coming once a year would be a great idea, but as we were talking about earlier with the seasonality, come back once every month and see the change. We have hundreds upon hundreds of weddings here every year. So it definitely holds a special place in people's hearts for that reason. And then I think just the history of being the gem of Lincoln.